Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, what does it take to change the future of the world? Is it money? Is it intelligence? Or is it the courage to fail again and again? Today we are going to talk about a man who dared to dream beyond Earth itself. A man who was laughed at, criticized, and almost destroyed by failure, but still stood up every time. A man who did not just imagine the future but decided to build it with his own hands. That man is Elon Musk. From being a shy, bullied child in South Africa to becoming one of the most powerful and controversial innovators in the world, Elon Musk's life is a story of pain, sacrifice, risk, and unbelievable success. This is not just the story of a billionaire. This is the story of a mindset that refuses to accept limits. In this video, you will discover how Elon Musk's difficult childhood shaped his personality, how he went from sleeping in offices to leading global companies, how he almost lost everything and still came back stronger, and what lessons his journey can teach us about success, failure, and vision. So sit back, listen carefully, and let this story change the way you think about your own dreams. This is the life and success journey of Elon Musk. Elon Musk Life and Success Journey. Elon Reed Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. From a very young age, Elon was different from other children. He was quiet, deeply thoughtful, and extremely curious about how things worked. While other children played outside, Elon spent hours reading books. He read science, fiction, history, philosophy, and encyclopedias, which expanded his imagination and knowledge. However, Elon Musk's childhood was not happy or easy. He was often bullied at school because he was shy and socially awkward. In one incident, he was beaten so badly that he had to be hospitalized. These painful experiences made him emotionally strong, but also pushed him to live more in his thoughts and ideas. At the age of 10, Elon discovered computers. He taught himself programming and quickly developed a strong interest in technology. By the time he was 12 years old, he created a video game called Blaster and sold it. This was the first sign that Elon Musk was not an ordinary child. He was a problem solver and a creator. Elon Musk wanted to live in a place where innovation and technology could grow. At the age of 17, he left South Africa and moved to Canada. Life was difficult. He worked hard, labor jobs to survive, showing his willingness to struggle for a bigger dream. Later, he moved to the United States and studied physics and economics. These subjects helped him understand both science and business, a combination that later became the key to his success. Elon was accepted into Stanford University for a PhD program, but he dropped out after just 2 days. The internet revolution was beginning, and he believed that real learning would happen in the real world. This risky decision changed his life forever. His first company, Jeep 2, was started with his brother. In the beginning, Elon worked day and night. He slept in the office and showered at public places. After years of struggle, J2 was sold, giving Elon his first major success. Soon after, he started another company that later became PayPal, which transformed online payments across the world. After becoming rich, Elon Musk made a decision that shocked everyone. Instead of living a comfortable life, he invested almost all his money into three dangerous ideas: space exploration, electric vehicles, and clean energy. Many people believed he was making a huge mistake. SpaceX faced repeated rocket failures, and Tesla struggled with production and financial problems. By 2008, Elon Musk was close to bankruptcy. His personal life was also falling apart. Despite all this, he did not give up. He believed that failure was not the end, but a lesson. Finally, SpaceX succeeded in launching a rocket into orbit, and Tesla began producing successful electric cars. These achievements changed history. SpaceX proved that private companies could explore space, and Tesla proved that electric cars could be powerful, stylish, and practical. Elon Musk's life teaches us that success is not about luck or comfort. It is about vision, hard work, and the courage to stand alone. Elon Musk is not perfect. He is not always right. But one thing is certain, he never stops trying. And sometimes that is all it takes to change the world. If you stay focused, keep learning, and believe in yourself, your story can also inspire the world. If you enjoyed this story, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with friends. See you in the next motivational English story.